Check what I found in some old warehouse. This little guy was just left there to die, and I thought that this could be a perfect addition to my workshop since I don't have any vise, and I picked it up. So this thing was made in USSR, so it's at least 40 years old. This guy has definitely seen a lot of use and abuse in the past, but it still works really good, and with a little bit of magic I think I can make this thing look really good. Obviously I'm the first one on YouTube to ever do the vise restoration video, but who cares, it's basically free content. So yeah, let's get to work. So that's about it. This one was really quick and easy project, but it's always nice to bring something old back to life. This vise is gonna live here now. I wanted one like this for a really long time, but they do get really expensive. So yeah, I'm happy to have this new piece in my shop. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Till next time.